Hi guys, welcome to Art Room with Savio. My name is Savio Mascarenhas and welcome to my studio. We move on to the next shape, which is a square. So again we start with a pencil. Why we use a pencil is easy, because if we have to do any corrections, we can do that right there when we are doing it in pencils. So first, a square. Okay. Now we look at a bank. I would go with these eyes. They look very sleepy to me. Okay, the sleepy eyes right here in the middle of this square. It's just like a line here and a dot just below it and a little curve below the eye, just like this. So we have the eyes. Now to match these eyes, I need eyebrows. I guess I should go with this one. Okay, so the eyebrows come here. And now we have the eyes and the eyebrows. Let me look for a nose. I find this nose very interesting. Okay, let me go with this one. It's a nice fat nose right there in the middle of the face. Okay, woo, this guy looks grumpy. Okay, let me have a little grumpy mouth for him. Maybe this one or this one. Okay, let me go with this one. It's just a wavy line. Okay, we have Mr. Grumpy Face right there. We give this guy a hair which would match his face. Maybe this one? Looks too lazy. Yup, we should do that. Okay, we'll go with this hairstyle, which is wavy. Finally, the ears. Let me pick one of these. This one maybe. Again, it looks very wavy and would fit in exactly in his hairstyle also. So here you have this guy ready. We move on to the next step, that is the inking of a character. Now, if you're all sure that this is a character that we want to ink, let's go ahead and do it. I'm going to be using a sketch pen. We can just start going very slowly, starting with the hair, following your lines. But if you want to improvise, please go ahead and do it really slowly and smoothly. Okay, so we have the hair. Now we start with the face line, then we ink in the ears, coming down to the jawline. Give it a curve for the other side of the ear. So we have the hair and the ears in place. Now the eyebrows and the eyes. These very sleepy looking eyes. Okay, now this little curve below the eye, the nose, and finally Grumpy Man's grumpy expression. Now we can go ahead and ink or fill in the hair with black. Go ahead and ink this, starting from here very carefully. I find this brush very easy to use. It's a pen, but it's a brush tip and it's comfortable to hold. You know guys, you can also give him different colors. Okay, you can have, I'm just sticking to the black for now, but we can try colors for the hairstyle. So we could give him maybe a brown hair, maybe could have a blue streaks in it. So very carefully ink in. You can give it blue streaks, you can give it red streaks. You're almost done. Fill in the little patches. And if you feel like, you can maybe thicken these lines, the outer line. This is jawline here. Make it a little thicker. Touch his eyebrows a bit. I think we're almost done. So here you have your Grumpy Man all inked out. Hope you like it. Like, share and comment. Remember, we are coming up with a new video every week, so please do go ahead and subscribe.